The Fujinon XF16-50mm f2.8-4.8 is a new standard zoom lens for Fujifilm X-mount cameras, released in 2024. It replaces the older XF18-55mm lens, offering a wider focal range, faster aperture, and a more compact design. Key features: focal length 16 to 50 mm, 24-75 mm equivalent in full frame terms. Aperture f2.8 to 4.8. Lens construction 11 elements in 9 groups. Minimum focus distance 0.15 meters at 16 mm, 0.35 meters at 50 mm. Filter size 62 mm. Weight 300 grams. Pros: compact and lightweight. The lens is significantly smaller and lighter than its predecessor, making it ideal for travel and everyday use. Improved image quality. The XF16-50mm offers sharper images, especially at the wide end, and better corner performance compared to the older 18-55mm lens. Faster aperture. The wider aperture at the wide end allows for better low-light performance and shallow depth of field. Weather sealing. The lens is weather sealed, making it suitable for use in various weather conditions. Autofocus performance. The autofocus is fast and accurate, making it suitable for capturing fast-moving subjects. Cons: slower aperture at telephoto end. The aperture slows down to f4.8 at the telephoto end, which can limit its versatility in low-light situations. Lack of image stabilization. The lens does not have built-in image stabilization, which can be a drawback for handheld shooting, especially at longer focal lengths. Overall, the Fujinon XF16-50mm f2.8-4.8 is a significant improvement over its predecessor, offering a more compact and versatile package with improved image quality. It is a great choice for everyday shooting, travel photography, and vlogging. While the slower aperture at the telephoto end and the lack of image stabilization are minor drawbacks, they are outweighed by the overall performance and convenience of this lens.
Got a feeling in my shoulder.